2 years after we started as joint CEOs, Harriet, what do you think is the most important thing about the Centre for Digital Public Services mission?
Well, states across the world are using digital solutions to help them address their most pressing problems and to deliver the services their citizens need in these really challenging times. And our job is to help the public sector in Wales grow confidence and ambition and understanding of how we can do that in Wales. So Myra, question to you. What are you most proud about in terms of what we've done over the last year?
I am really proud of the community of practice around automation and AI. We have about 90 people who come to that regularly, and we're sharing and we're learning and we're not working in silos, and that will improve AI adoption across Wales. And we have a team of permanently employed digital experts. These teams have worked with policy colleagues and partner organisations to design better digital services. This includes with health organisations, for example, working on digitising maternity notes and records, managing neurodiversity referrals. We've worked with local authorities and the Welsh Government on the applications process for free school meals and around planning applications and taxi licensing. And we're always thinking about these services being bilingual and accessible. The user is at the heart of what we do. What about you? What do you think?
I think people across Wales agree that we can only address our biggest challenges by working together. So I am really proud that CDPS has created some really effective forums to make that collaboration happen. From the tight strategic group we have with the Wales Chief Digital Officers and their teams, the Standards Working Group, the new AI and Automation Steering Group, our links with Local Authority Digital Advisory Group, our join up with KEED, the Procurement Centre of Excellence, our networking events for senior leaders. I feel we're really starting to build that coalition of the willing across the country, and that's critical if we're going to move the dial. I'm also really proud that we have trained over 1,500 public servants since our digital training offer started, and we have around 800 attendances from across the sector for our 5 communities of practice. And I'm really proud of having grown this unique team of 55 skilled people who are recognised as leaders, guides, supporters of modernisation right across the public sector in Wales.
And what are we planning next year?
Well, a portfolio focused on real improvements to the experience of service users in Wales, working with central and local government to improve access to benefits, improving planning services which are so critical to making progress as a nation, working hard to help everyone across the sector understand what good looks like when you're delivering a service and how you get there, continuing to build those coalitions of the willing and forums where the whole sector can plan to work together to coordinate better digital delivery, and carrying on that work to grow the skills we need to speed up delivery and make good investment decisions.
Finally, we want to say thank you. Thank you to CDPS's amazing teams, to our partners, our supporters, our stakeholders, to everyone who's collaborated with us as we bring together the digital mission across Wales.
Diolch.